If your Hyundai key fob stops working after replacing the battery, the problem is usually caused by improper battery installation, lost synchronization with the vehicle, or weak contact inside the fob. This can prevent functions like locking, unlocking, or remote start from working even though the battery is new. Fortunately, most key fob issues after a battery change can be fixed quickly at home. Try these. 1. Check the battery installation. Open the key fob again and make sure the battery is installed with the correct polarity. 2. Use the correct battery type. Most Hyundai key fobs use a CR2032 coin battery, so ensure the replacement battery is the correct type and new. 3. Resync the key fob with the car. Enter the vehicle and press the lock or unlock button several times while the key is near the start button or ignition. 4. Restart the vehicle electronics. Turn the car off, wait about 1 to 2 minutes, then start it again to refresh the system. 5. Inspect the key fob contacts. Make sure the battery terminals inside the fob are clean and firmly touching the battery.